So let's start with Node.js installation. So go to nodejs.org in the browser. I'll give a link in the description. You can install either version, but I would suggest to install the LTS version available at the time you visit, because that is the version under long-term support, but you can install other version as well and it will also work completely fine. So in this video, I'll go with LTS version, which is 16.14.0 in my case. And if you're visiting this video anytime in future, you are going to get it a different version number, which is completely fine and everything should work fine as Node.js is backward compatible. Now click on the installer either from the bottom of the browser or from the downloads folder. The installer will start. So just click on continue. Again, click on continue. It will ask you to accept the terms and conditions and click on agree, and then follow the setup guide. Click on install. It will ask you for the authorization password. Enter it and install software. It should be ready in a minute. So here you can check the Node.js version and the npm version here and click on close. So you have two options here. Either you can keep the installer file. In my case, I am just moving it to bin. Now, as we have successfully installed Node.js, we would want to verify it. So to verify whether we have installed it successfully, in the system search bar on right hand corner of your machine, you can type terminal and open it. And in the terminal, just type node and press enter. Then you should be able to see an arrow mark in the next line. So if that comes, so yeah, it looks good. Now here you can type any JavaScript code and it should work fine. So let's say I type welcome to code help and press enter. It should display me that. And let's say we perform a string concatenation. That should also work fine and give me the output. So yeah, it seems that our Node.js is working fine. Now to exit, we can press Ctrl C twice and it would exit. Now let's see how can we run our index.js file directly from the terminal itself. So I have this index.js file here where I have written some code, like I have assigned a variable some value, and also I am setting out a function set timeout in which I am showing an alert. So what if I want to run this directly without going to the browser in the terminal itself? So that you can do directly by typing in the terminal node space and your file name index.js in our case, and it will give you the output directly on the terminal itself. But this feature is limited only to few scenarios, and as in our case, like showing an alert, it would throw an error. Also, for any user-based event like a button click, it would not work. And you will have to use the browser itself. So guys, hope this video helped you. If it did, please like it, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.